Hi guys, it's Kristi, and I'm here to do the flip through of the blue vintage journal. This kit that I used for this journal is from Shabby Dabby Doo Dah, Shabby Dabby Doo Dah, and I will put the link to that in the description box below. I used a Reader's Digest condensed book for this. And I've left it simple. I like it. I've just added, well, it's got a linen reinforcement for the spine as well as chipboard. And then I've just added lace over the top, and I've tied it with a piece of crochet trim, and I like that. Okay, so I've covered the inside cover with pages from the kit. I've got a pocket from the kit. This tag is one I cut out of a background page, and it was a little bit long, so I just folded it up and made a little extra little pocket, so it ends up being a little secret spot there. I've got a coffee dyed doily here, and I have added crochet trim to the designer pages. I did print the designer pages double-sided. This is a ticket belly band that we did together. I will list the link to the playlist for the Blue Vintage Journal in the description box below as well. And this is just a journal spot from a cut off from one of the pages of the kit. This is coffee dyed paper. I've got the coffee dyed envelope with a small journal card from the kit. I've got a dictionary page and a music page of coffee dyed paper. This is also coffee dyed paper. I've got a corner flip that I've made with a book page. I've added a doily, a piece of lace, and a ticket from the kit, as well as some flat back pearls. This is a tag I cut from one of the background pages that I had printed on cardstock. I've got a piece of paint masking paper here. I've got another piece of the paper from the kit with some lace trim, double-sided. I've got a number 10 envelope that I've coffee dyed here that has a little journaling card inside. Another piece of coffee dyed paper where I've used a little doily for in the coffee dyeing method. Got a little side tuck here made out of a book page. Has a tuck here and a tuck here, and you can open it and journal on the inside. Here's another page from the kit, double-sided with lace trim. Another coffee dyed page. This one I've added the book page pocket that we made together with a tag that I cut out of a background page. Got some lace trim, and just the flower is cardstock from a piece of cutoff from one of the background papers that I've just punched 1.5 inches and scrunched it up. I sprayed it with water, scrunched it up, added a button and some linen. This was 2 pages from the kit that I glued together front and back to make it double-sided and added a little pocket. I've got some coffee dyed 4x6 journal cards in here that I've added the crochet trim to. Here's our centerpiece that we did together. This started out as a piece of coffee dyed paper. I want to say it was 8.5 by 11 that has been folded for in half twice, and then the corners tucked in. This video will also be in the playlist. I've added some tickets that I've cut from one of the background pages, and I've added some butterflies with some flat back pearls here, and I've just tied a bow. This is the center of the signature. Here's the other side of the pocket with the journal card. This is a book page envelope that we made together. You can put things inside. I've just added some trim, a little banner, and another one of those punch out flowers with a larger flat back pearl and some more crochet trim on the bottom. And that is just paper clipped in here so it can be relocated throughout the journal. Here's another piece of the designer paper. Got a little tuck spot here. This was one that we made together. This is an envelope from the kit itself, and then we did together the I lost my word, rosette. The rosette is made out of a book page, and just some eyelash trim in there, and then I've tucked this. I got my hands full. Let me open that. Tuck this over the page and clipped it on with a paper clip, and then that gives us another tuck spot there. Okay, and then I have the back side of that number 10 envelope with another journal card here. Designer paper from the kit. Masking paper. There's another piece of coffee dyed paper. Music paper. Dictionary page. And I've got a smaller envelope. These are just letter size envelopes with the little small journaling card inside. This is the small belly band we did, and inside I have a mini matchbook, little paper pad. So it's got paper inside, and that's just coffee dyed paper, and then this kind of snaps in there. I know it goes in there, and then that just slides in the belly band. Okay, another piece of the designer paper, and the other side of that doily. That was the first signature. The second signature is basically the same, the designer paper with crochet trim, double-sided. Here's one of the larger matchbooks that I put in the large belly band, and that's just some 3x3 pages of paper in there with some lace and some flat back pearls as well. And that fits perfectly in there. Here's a small envelope with a journal card, the pretty lady on it. I've got the dictionary page, the music page. This is the pocket journal flip out. I don't know exactly, I don't remember what we called it, but I got this idea from Shabby Dabby Doodah. I saw this yesterday on her page. So yeah, it's just a tri-fold. There's journaling on these two pages, but this tri-fold is folded down and glued to make a pocket. I've stuck some ephemera in here. These are some letters or receipts, ephemera that came with the kit. I've just kind of scrunched them up and added some ink for some grunginess and tucked those in this little pocket here. I've got some lace trim. There's some lace. There's a label, a little bit of eyelash trim, and my butterfly with the flat back pearls here. This will also be in the playlist if you're interested in seeing how we did that one. And I'm just well, let's see. I've got a paper clip to attach this one to the page, like so. Okay, masking paper, the designer kit paper. This is one of the pockets that came with the kit, and this is one of the tags that came with the kit. I've just added some crochet trim to the top of that. Another piece of the designer paper, number 10 envelope with a journaling card inside. The coffee dyed paper. This is a small coin envelope. Actually, it's a library card pocket, a mini library card pocket. I've just done a little bit of collage with some dictionary page, a punch from the kit, and a piece of lace, and then I've taken a tag that I cut from a background page. This also can be a tuck spot. It's not glued over here, just on these two sides, so you can add something larger behind there. And here's the center that I attach this page to this page to make the pocket with the coffee dyed index cards, 4x6. And then here we are again with the coffee dyed paper that I folded twice, and then we tucked in the corners to make pockets. So I've got the butterflies with the flat back pearls, the lace, the tickets that I cut from the background page, and added some eyelash trim for the topper, and that is the center of the second signature. This is our Pawtuckalope. It's an origami folded pocket, and I've just added some lace trim, some eyelash yarn, and a little punch out from the kit. I've got a small tag here, and this is one of the tags that came with the kit. There we go. Here's the other side of that number 10 envelope. We've got a journal card here. These are all blank on the back. I've kind of grunged them up. The designer paper with the trim. Here's the other side flip. It has the tuck back here, and the tuck under here. This one is a little loose, and that's why I've tucked this under here. This probably could put something a little more substantial, maybe like the ephemera that I have in the other pockets. This opens up into a journaling spot. This is made out of the book page, some of the book pages that I ended up taking from this book. There's another page of the designer paper, the masking paper, another corner pocket from a book page with the doily, a little bit of lace and a ticket, some flat back pearls. I've got a larger tag that's cut from background page, coffee dyed papers, music paper, dictionary paper, the small envelope with a little journal card inside. I don't know if you can see that. It's got flowers and butterflies. I notice when I'm doing the editing that this kit comes through as gray, but it's kind of a tea-dyed color with a very light gray blue, and it doesn't really seem to come through on the video. Here's another small belly band, and I've just taken another cut off and added some more journaling space there. And another page of the designer paper, back of the doily, and then on the back pocket I've done another one of those little secret pocket tags there. So yeah, this is a fun one. It's a little bit chunky, not too bad. I think you could probably still add a few things. I can still kind of scrunch it down a little bit, but yeah, this one was fun to do. I was talking yesterday about doing a little golden book, but I need to work on some things for my craft fair. So I think I'm going to do a few craft fair things. I wanted to do some naked journals for that, so I'm going to work on some of those, maybe do like a faux finish, faux leather finish on those, and so I think that's what I'm going to do next, and then we'll get to those little golden books. Well, I didn't tie that well at all. But anyway, thanks for watching, and this will be available on my Etsy store, so I will also add that link to the description below. below. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.